What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rory Reid, aka Tripler999. I want to welcome you guys back to the channel. I know it's been a while, and today what I'm going to discuss is this latest piece that you're seeing on your screen now. Is called Nude Study 4, and what this piece is, it's the latest piece I've done in a series of paintings where the objective of them was to practice my figure painting or figure drawing, of course, and also to try to hone in on a palette that I'm going to use for a series of paintings that I'm going to be doing in the future that I want to be known for, or my signature style. I know a lot of artists often have troubles with this, or often want to try and figure out what their style is when they see other artists coming into their own and establishing a clear look and a clear palette that they work from. So this is my definitive look that I'm going to be going for in the future pieces. And so it's I decided I wanted to make this YouTube video to kind of document that moment for me. A lot of my other works that I've done reflect the style already, and so this was sort of like a natural decision to where I decided, yes, I'm definitely going to go for this look. It's kind of the teal and orange kind of vibe. So, but I'm gonna try to incorporate dark skin tones, because a lot of my future work is going to be with darker skin tones, figurative work. So I want to. This study was trying to figure that out, basically, if that made sense, using darker skin tones in the teal and orange sort of atmosphere, and to see if I can get a stylized look that I could like and incorporate into my future works. Because the future works that I'm going to be doing is going to have some landscape scenes in there, as well as figurative scenes with a biblical subject matter. So this was one of the studies that I'm using to hone down on a specific style that I can be recognized for in the future. So I'm going to keep the time lapse of the piece playing. I loved how it turned out. I didn't use the different raw umber skin tones in this one for the brownish or the deeper hue, but some of my previous paintings I did use them in, and it came out good. So I kind of like the style that this piece ended up looking like, and so I'm pretty much mishmashing some few pieces that I did recently, and it's gonna have the look. You'll eventually see what it looks like. This one here that I'm working on is sort of in the same breath, but I started this one quite a while ago, so it's not really the finalized style that I'm going for the future works, but it's a good indicator of where things could go. And so yeah, that's all this video is about. I just wanted to touch base with you guys. I know I haven't made a video in a while because I've been pretty busy fulfilling orders and the like, so just wanted to touch base, and hope you enjoyed this video, man. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know if you have any suggestions on how to improve it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out greatly since I'm still a very small channel. And like me and follow me on other social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook as well, if any of you are over there. Other than that, man, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I'll let the time lapse continue to run through. Peace. you.